Okay, so this is the other lens. It's 18 millimeters time crop factor 1.5 means 27. No, it's 16. Okay, 16 times 1.5 means 24 millimeters. My head looks normal, I think. And what's important, you even see something what I don't want you to see. It's this area. It is this area, which means we need to crop a little. I believe it's not bad because I honestly like the aperture of 1.4. The background is amazingly blurred. So what we have to do is to crop like this and accordingly like this, and then we can have a picture like this. This is not the final quality because I still have some issues with the cable, which is not able to transfer the high data, and therefore I needed to switch to 720p only. So this is not even full HD, this is 720p. But as you can see, the sharpness of my head and hair compared to the blurred background is absolutely amazing. And I think that that small crop isn't problem, you know. There is the variable focal length lens, which is 18. So it would crop actually. Now we are 16, you know, and the lowest possible is 18 to 50. So we would basically use only the lowest focal length, and it's 2.8 aperture. So this is 1.4. So 1.4 to 2 is 1 EV, 2.0 to 2.8 is 2 EV. I don't know what ISO I am running at the moment, maybe 50 or 100. We should have run 400 instead of 100. So I think that the quality is amazing. And the cable arrives tomorrow. I will test it tomorrow, and I would stick to this particular lens. I like the lens. We can crop maybe even more, like so. In this case, like so. Just a sec, like so, maybe. But still, you see, compared to the previous one, you see my T-shirt. You know, we can make it. I can tilt it a little and make it higher. But I definitely like the angle of the camera, and for sure the sharpness. I could basically do this, crop it like so, and make it a little bit like here. It's not a nice composition, is it? This was better. So we indeed see a little bit of shelf, but I think there is no need to buy a new shelf. Maybe I will simply tape something on that, you know, a gray background, gray surface or black surface or whatever. And this is nice. I'm really satisfied with that. I like this lens more than the 23 millimeters. So I will send the 23 millimeters back, and this is what it is. And basically, I also reduced the brightness of the Amaran. This is just 17%, which is obvious because we have obviously f.14 only. I don't know what the Elgato 4K, which was not 4K, obviously, compared to Sony. Come on. So this was supposed to be 4K. It is 4K, but the focal length is 21 millimeters, which is even less than this one. But I like this one. And I had to put Amaran at 70. and this is 17%. Check this out. This is 70%. You see? And now all of a sudden, the background, I don't like the background. But if I set it back to something like 20%, now it's 17. This is amazing, isn't it? And I can maybe even go lower with the Elgato fill key, fill light, which is this one, to make it more dramatic. Maybe like so. I don't know. I will play around with that. Maybe now Amaran higher. Yeah, it's not bad. Oh, it's too much. That was 100, by the way. Now it's 18. And I like the G4 lamp at the background, you know. I like the color. And if we create the background with the photos and everything, it will be amazing. It will be amazing. I'm really thankful for this lens. This is the lens.